Oh, well, hello. Chalo. Today we are going to make pav bhaji. You heard it right. We are going to make Popeye pav bhaji because we are going to use spinach here, which is the favorite vegetable of Popeye. Now just let me tell you a speciality of pav bhaji. Pav bhaji, I think it is one of the dish which can give you nutrition and it can fulfill your stomach also. So now without wasting time guys, चलिए रेसिपी का शुरुआत करते हैं. So I just showing you the ingredients to make sure that you all have revised the ingredients perfectly. So now let's bring the cooktop and the pan to start the recipe. So for the first step of the recipe, we are going to add a little bit of oil in the pan. And then we will spread it and we will wait until it gets a little bit hot. So guys, now my oil has got pretty hot. For now, we will going to add first the onions. I have taken 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Let's stir this and let it wait until it gets light brownish tone. Now, as you can see, my onions have started to get a little bit brown. We will going to add ginger, garlic, and green chili paste. This is 2 tablespoons. I have stirred the ginger garlic paste for 1 minute. Here I will add pureed tomatoes. I pureed 2 tomatoes. Now let's wait for 2 minutes until this tomato puree gets a little bit cooked. Guys, I'm going to make the puree of this spinach. I have taken 1 bundle of spinach which is blanched. Until then, my tomato puree is getting cooked. Okay. Now let's start grinding it. Now my tomato has got cooked and I have also prepared the puree of the spinach. Now let's add the masala. So here I have taken haldi, lal mirch and garam masala. So let's start adding with the turmeric. Red chili powder. And garam masala. It's time to add the spinach puree. See, I've added the spinach puree. Now the magic will happen. See, the pav bhaji gravy is changing its color to green. The gravy is looking delicious till now. Now it's time for the vegetables. So first I'm adding the frozen peas. I'm going to cover this and cook it for at least 5 to 6 minutes because I've taken frozen peas, so it would take time to get softened. So first let me mix this. So for cooking the peas, I am going to add a little bit of water. Slightly mix this. And cover it and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Now guys, after approx 7 to 8 minutes, in between I've added a little bit of water in every 2 minutes. My peas has got soft. Now we are going to add the carrot and the cauliflower. So you can take it at least 2 cups. I mashed the carrot and the cauliflower a little bit. Now let's mix this for 1 minute, then we are going to add the capsicum. Now we are going to add 1 cup of capsicum. I mix the capsicum for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. Just mash it a little bit in your hands. And now let's mix this. Done mixing the potatoes. Now let's add the main ingredient, pav bhaji masala. I've added 3 teaspoons of pav bhaji masala and the taste maker, the salt. Water. For now, we are going to cover this and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes so that the vegetables get softened, and at the end we can mash it and our bhaji will be ready. Guys, my Popeye pav bhaji is ready. Now you can make this at your home and comment down below how much you like this recipe, and don't forget to give a like, subscribe my channel and also share this video with your family and friends. Now I will see you guys in the next one. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.